Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos that will help to motivate you into taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Okay, let's talk about a couple of important things, shall we? Have you ever pondered why, despite all your best efforts, wealth seems to evade your grasp? It's a question that baffles many. We work hard, we save, yet it seems like we're running on a treadmill, not really getting anywhere. Well, the secret might lie in the concept known as wealth traps. Yes, you heard it right. Wealth traps are financial pitfalls that can subtly yet significantly impede your journey towards financial growth. Now you might be wondering, what are these traps and how do they affect me? Well, throughout this video we're going to uncover 10 of these wealth traps. 10 sneaky culprits that might be hindering your financial prosperity without you even realizing it. They range from living beyond your means to neglecting savings, from lack of financial literacy to failing to invest, and much more. So what are these wealth traps that you need to be wary of? Let's dive in. First on the list is the trap of living beyond your means. Now what does this mean exactly? Well, it's when you're spending more than you're earning. Picture this. You're pouring water into a bucket with a hole at the bottom. No matter how much you pour, if you can't plug that hole, you're never going to fill it up. That hole is your excessive spending. The more you spend, the less you have to save and invest. And here's the real kicker: debt. Sure, loans and credit cards can give you temporary relief, but they can spiral out of control, and before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of debt. So how do you avoid this trap? It's simple, really. Spend less, save more. Make a budget and stick to it. Cut down on those unnecessary expenses. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest that matters. Next up, we have the trap of neglecting savings. Now don't be fooled into thinking that the money in your bank account is an indicator of financial security. It's not just about what you're earning, but also what you're saving. Savings are your financial safety net. They're your buffer against unexpected expenses, your ticket to financial freedom, and your shield against the unpredictable nature of life. Imagine you lose your job or face a medical emergency. Without savings, you could find yourself in a financial freefall. The risk is real. Every dollar you save is a dollar you don't have to borrow or earn when times get tough. There's a well-known saying that goes, "Don't save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving." This emphasizes the importance of prioritizing savings before expenditures. It's like planting seeds for a future harvest. A penny saved is indeed a penny earned. Remember, wealth isn't just about income. It's about building and preserving your financial resources. The third trap to avoid is the lack of financial literacy. It's like venturing into a dense forest without a compass. You're bound to lose your way. Understanding financial concepts is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the difference between making informed decisions that grow wealth and making blind choices that erode it. Imagine, for a moment, two friends. One understands the power of compound interest, the importance of diversification, and the role of risk in investments. The other doesn't. Over time, who do you think will have a healthier financial portfolio? It's not rocket science. Financial literacy is not just about understanding numbers, it's about understanding the implications of those numbers. It's about understanding the language of money. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. The dangers of financial illiteracy are real. They can lead to bad investments, excessive debt, and a lifetime of financial stress. So, arm yourself with knowledge. Knowledge is power, and in this case, wealth. Trap number 4 is failing to invest. Investments are the golden eggs of the financial world. They're the seeds you plant today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. They're not just about making money, they're about growing your wealth sustainably and consistently over time. Investing is the process of allocating money with the expectation of a positive return in the future. This could be in the form of stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a startup business. The idea is to put your money to work so it earns more money for you. But what happens if you don't invest? Well, you're essentially leaving money on the table. Without investments, your money isn't growing, it's just sitting there. And with the ever-present specter of inflation, your money's purchasing power is slowly but surely eroding away. Investing isn't just about making money, it's about securing your financial future. Halfway through the list, we have the trap of ignoring insurance. It's easy to shrug off the idea of insurance as an unnecessary expense, especially when you're young and healthy. But let's flip the coin. Insurance isn't just about health or life, it's about risk management. It's about shielding your wealth from potential financial pitfalls. Imagine waking up one day to a house damaged by fire or a car accident. or an unexpected medical condition. Without insurance, you're left to bear the financial burden, which can be devastating. Insurance is a buffer, a safety net that catches you when unforeseen circumstances strike. It gives peace of mind, knowing that you're protected against life's unpredictable twists and turns. It's a part of financial planning that's often overlooked, but it's crucial to building and protecting your wealth. So, next time you think about skipping that insurance premium, remember this. Insurance is not an expense, it's a way to protect your wealth. Trap number 6 is the allure of quick riches. It's a siren song that has led many off course in their journey to wealth. You've seen the promises: make $1 million overnight, double your money in a month, invest in this and you're set for life. These get-rich-quick schemes are often too good to be true, and they can lead to financial ruin. Building wealth isn't about finding a magic bullet, it's about patience, discipline, and making smart, consistent decisions over time. It's about understanding that wealth isn't built in a day, a week, or even a year. It's a long-term process that requires strategy, not just luck or a hot tip. Chasing quick riches can result in lost time, lost money, and lost opportunities for real, sustainable wealth. So, the next time you're tempted by the promise of fast money, remember, the road to wealth isn't a sprint where the fastest runner wins. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Next on our list is the trap of neglecting retirement planning. Imagine a future where you're free to do what you love without the 9-to-5 grind. Sounds great, right? But this dream only becomes reality with careful and consistent retirement planning. Too many people fall into the trap of thinking they have all the time in the world to start saving for retirement. But here's the truth: the earlier you start, the better. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small, regular contributions to your retirement fund can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Delaying retirement savings, on the other hand, can lead to financial risks. You may find yourself working longer than you anticipated, or worse, struggling to make ends meet during your golden years. Don't let retirement sneak up on you. It's not just about saving money, but securing a future where financial worries don't overshadow your freedom. Retirement is inevitable. Start planning for it today. Trap number 8 is avoiding tax planning. Now, we all know taxes are inevitable, but smart tax planning, that's a choice. It's a critical part of wealth management, often overlooked by many. Think about it like this: taxes are like a leak in your financial bucket. No matter how much you pour in, if you're not careful, a significant portion can slip away. That's where tax planning comes in. It's about understanding how different financial decisions can affect your tax liability. It's about exploring legal avenues to minimize the tax impact on your wealth. From choosing tax-efficient investments to leveraging tax deductions and credits, there are many strategies you can use. So don't leave tax planning to the last minute. Start today. Consult with a tax advisor and let them guide you on this journey. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but also how much you keep after taxes. Second to the last, we have the trap of lack of diversification. Let's think about it this way. Imagine your wealth as a single, fragile egg. Now, would you feel safe carrying it around in a basket with no other eggs to share the risk of cracking? Probably not. This is essentially the financial risk you face when you don't diversify your investment portfolio. Think of diversification as your financial safety net. It's spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, or geographical locations. So if one investment stumbles, others may still stand tall, reducing the potential for devastating losses. Remember, diversification isn't just about playing defense. It can also be a great offensive strategy. Different investments tend to perform well at different times. By having a diversified portfolio, you can potentially capture the growth of various sectors and markets, and not just rely on one single source. Diversification is not just about spreading risk, but also about increasing potential returns. Finally, the 10th trap to avoid is not setting financial goals. Imagine you're on a journey, but you have no destination. You could end up anywhere, right? The same applies to your financial journey. Without clear, measurable financial goals, you're essentially wandering aimlessly, and that's a surefire way to fall into a wealth trap. Financial goals are like the North Star, guiding you on your path towards financial freedom. They help you stay focused, make informed decisions, and take calculated risks. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, investing for your child's education, or planning for a comfortable retirement, each goal plays a crucial role in your overall financial planning and wealth creation. Remember, your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way you can track your progress, adjust your strategies as needed, and celebrate your victories along the way. Goals give your financial journey direction. Set them, follow them, achieve them. And there you have it, 10 wealth traps to avoid if you want to become rich. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We've discussed how living beyond your means and neglecting savings can lead to financial ruin. We've also delved into the importance of financial literacy and the power of investing. We've stressed on the necessity of insurance, the dangers of chasing quick riches, and the significance of retirement and tax planning. We've highlighted the risks of lack of diversification and not setting financial goals. Each wealth trap has its own pitfalls, but they all boil down to one thing: taking control of your financial future. It's not about getting rich quickly. It's about making consistent, informed decisions over time. It's about learning, growing, and evolving with your finances. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a sprint but a marathon. Avoid these traps and you'll be on your way to financial success. Until next time, stay financially savvy. For more videos to help push you forward to financial freedom, please like and subscribe to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel.